This is an incredible value for money Defender 90 hardtop. If you're in the market for a 90, you've been waiting for us to get something in around this price point. They don't come along very often. When they do, they attract a lot of attention, and this will do exactly that because of the spec. It's priced at $40,990 plus VAT. It's done just over 40,000 miles. Recently been serviced by Land Rover. Finished in Eiger grades, then been exterior styled, wide arches, pod lights, black pack, 20-inch wheels of orange brake calipers. Eiger grey is the colour with obviously the contrast in black, but then it then has features such as jump seat, detachable towbar, ClearSight rear view camera. The initial attraction will be the price because it is fantastic value for money, and they don't, like I say, come around very often. Usually they're considerably more than this, but if you're looking for a commercial purchase, VAT registered business, and this is your opportunity to get into a Defender 90. 360 cameras, heated seats, cruise control, the jump seat, I'll show you what that looks like in a second when I slide it down. Fixed side steps, front and rear mud flaps, it's got everything. Rear spoiler, spare wheel cover, detachable tow bar. So again, if you are someone who is looking for a vehicle that is a good crossover between personal and business, you may have a caravan, camper, bike rack, whatever it might be, then you have the tow bar for that. 3-litre diesel, so more than enough power to tow whatever it is you plan on towing. Recently been serviced by Land Rover, I believe in March of this year, but it's been kept in fantastic condition. But it is the price, it's the value which will attract you. It then has the spec to back it up, plus it's then been exterior styled as well. So it's a great looking Defender 90 at a fantastic price with the options that you would look. ClearSight rear view camera, you don't really see that very often, but this one has it. Start up, so basically what that is, traditionally, your rear view mirror is going to get blocked by the bulkhead. Slide that across, you have a HD camera which comes with the rear view mirror, heated seats, climate control, navigation, media, telephone, Apple CarPlay, the cameras I spoke about earlier, cruise control, lane keep assist. So it's got everything that the Defender would have, but then it comes with all the financial benefits of a commercial vehicle. It's literally just turned 40,000 miles. The jump seat, said I'd show you that, so I will. Slide it down, cup holders, USBs, extras, so there's no compromise to having that. Just means you can either carry an extra staff member, family member, friend, whatever it is. So fantastic Defender 90 going live right now, 2021 registered, 71 plate, fantastic vehicle. It will not last long. Last time I had something in around this price point, it lasted hours. So if you're interested, give me a call. My name is Paddy, numbers in the video and in the description. Any questions, I'll get them answered, and I look forward to speaking to you.